Welcome to the 20th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. The focus of this lesson is on using color lines to represent different structures. To set the color lines, first enter the Edit Panel Image mode. Right-click on the relevant panel, then modify the pattern. Use the tools here to draw a closed area. If it's symmetrical, check the Mirrored Line option and do not close this window before drawing. Next, right-click to draw a new line segment. After drawing, right-click again to end the command with Command End option. Set the dimensions. Then use the Fill tool to color the enclosed area. Once done, exit the Edit Panel Image mode. We can export to SmartGraph to see the result. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.